Hey, hello, how are you? Not so much good, just moving as usual. Okay, cool. I just came inside and then I saw your dad passing by and then he told me like just to be careful and I didn't know like it sounded like a warning. Oh, seriously? I don't know. Wait, are you a Malu? Yeah, I'm a Malayali. Yeah, now I get it. Sorry, what? Chill, nothing. Yeah, I'm like so depressed and I wanna go home. So, how long have you been living here? Just like 4 months ago? You mean before the pandemic or after that? Well, that's a long story. After I came to know that I got a job over here, and then as soon as I reached here, and the lockdown started. Okay. So, how many boyfriends you have? Sorry, what? Oh, come on. It's obvious that being in Bangalore, like everybody has that these days. Excuse me? Do you have any idea of what you're even speaking about? You know what? Never mind. That's why I hate you guys. Hello? What do you mean, you guys? Huh? I know you guys enjoy your life like anything. Party in the night time, coming late home, enjoying like anything in Bangalore. That's your stupid assumptions because you don't know how to calculate a person. You know him by the way he looks. You know what, to be frank, you guys are like well frogs who haven't seen the world yet, and that's why you're like this. Excuse me, aren't you a Malu born in Kerala? Listen, I know you guys tell it to your home that you're coming for studying over here and do all this dirty stuffs and one night stand, blah blah blah, all this bullshit, and finally conclude us like that. Oh, so you have experience and all. No, it was mostly your people who are caught for adulteries in most of the hotels in Bangalore. What did you say? Yes, I mean it. Because you people give all fake commitments to your parents telling that, Mommy, I want to do nursing in Bangalore. And you come over here and do all the bullshits over here, enjoy your life like what you told me like a few minutes back. Just because one or two people is like that, it doesn't mean everybody over there is like that. So does that mean all the Bangalorean girls' attitudes are same? Now where is all your sound? Okay, fine. Well, you guys come with dirty intentions and flirty attitude and then spoil our place. You come do all this bullshit and finally get bad name to the Mallu staying here who are actually born and brought up here. I said stop. Well, you guys need Bangalore for your experience, for your job, for your education, for your influence of future career and all. Now this shows that you hate Mallus. No, I don't hate them. I hate you. I hate people like you who actually put all the Bangaloreans down and take all the credits.